Hello everyone, right now I am in front of a company called Danqi Lighting. From the window, I was totally amazed by their shining pendant crystal light. It is very shining and I think they are quite specialized in making those crystal pendant light. Okay, so for more items and for more surprises, let's go in and find out more. Hello.
Hello, my friend.
My name is Kathy. May I have your name?
Yeah, nice to meet you. I'm Susie.
Okay, Susie, please say hello to our camera.
Hi.
Okay, so Susie, please tell us something about your company.
Our company founded in 2010.
Wow.
I'll have large showroom and factory.
Okay.
Our products are sold all over the world.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah.
So established in 2010 and now it has been 12 years.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. And I noticed that basically you are making those crystal pendant light, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Would you like to show us some?
No.
Okay.
Now I show you the hot sale.
Wow. The hot selling one.
Yeah. This ceiling lamp.
Yeah.
Yeah. Table lamp.
Right. Table lamp.
Floor lamp.
Floor lamp.
Yeah.
So one crystal light for all of the living, for all of the rooms. Okay, remember this is hot cell
Yeah.
one. Okay.
And this lamp can change color. with
Okay.
Remote.
Wow. White color.
Yeah.
Oh, this is white. Sorry.
Yeah. 3 color.
Oh,
And can dimmer.
it can dimmable. It's
Yeah.
dimmable.
Yeah.
Wow.
You see?
Wow. So, everyone, if you don't want your room to be too bright or too dark, you can adjust it, the brightness. So that's why it is dimmable.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah. And the body is use sterling cells.
Okay. Wow, that's good one. And what about this crystal?
G9 crystal.
G9 crystal.
Yeah. This crystal is G9.
Okay. But Susie, I am wondering, is the size can be changed? The size.
All size we can change.
Okay, it can be customized.
Yeah. If
okay.
customer want which size we can product.
Okay, wow, good for you. Okay, they can also have this pendant one for the living room. This is for the floor, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Wow. Okay, so remember this is the hot cell one. Okay, is there anything else?
Okay. Now I show you this.
Wow, oh my god, it just looks like a DNA. Okay, tell us something about that.
Yeah. This body also use ceiling cells.
Selling series. Okay.
Yeah. And then this crystal also can change color.
Okay, the color can be changed. Now let's see.
Yeah. This can change.
Oh,
Also can
Yeah.
change color.
3 colors in total.
Yeah. Also dimmer.
Okay. The length of the wire can be changed, structure, right?
Yeah. And
Okay.
then the size all can make.
Oh, okay. So I think that is sometimes it is applied to the floor, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I really like the warm color. Okay. Wow, that's cool. Okay, so Susie, where do your products mainly sell to? What country do you sell to? Like
Country.
Yeah.
USA
Oh wow, USA and
我想一想，那个沙特是怎么说
okay UAE,
Yeah.
Saudi Arab.
Yeah.
Okay, wow. So basically, some Middle East countries and USA. Okay. Now, is there
No.
anything else?
This.
Oh,
This.
okay. This one.
Yeah, this one.
Is it a pendant light? Where do you usually put it in? In my house, where do I usually put it in?
Food tables.
Food table. Oh, dining table.
Yeah.
Okay. Also, the size can be changed too. The size.
Yeah, all size
Okay.
we can product.
Okay.
This size is now this sample size is 900.
900 millimeters.
Yeah.
Okay. 90 centimeters. And the wire can be changed.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
Oh, they are from the same series.
Yeah.
This basically, if your living room you had a really high floor, you can adapt this one.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow.
And here.
Oh, you can also make it a ceiling lamp.
Yes, ceiling lamp also.
Wow,
Yeah.
that's really shiny.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. And the color temperature can be changed too.
Yeah.
Just change a light bulb.
Yeah, can change the light on this.
Okay, I see. Okay, now let's keep
Okay.
moving.
Come with me. Here,
Oh,
this
pink.
is our new item.
New item.
Yeah. This crystal.
Wow, it's really
Colorful.
shining. Colorful, yeah.
Yeah.
You know what? The best part about this light is about this crystal bead. Yeah, it's purple.
Yeah, purple.
Yeah.
If you want another color, also can product.
Really?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I like pink. Can you do that?
Yeah,
Okay.
pink, blue,
Okay.
also can product.
Wow, that's really cool. Okay, so let me guess. This one is perfect for the living room and sometimes bedroom. Bedroom,
Bedroom.
maybe. Yeah. So basically, we can put it in the living room. That's really
Yeah,
beautiful.
living room.
Oh,
And,
this
here.
this is a living room one. This
Yeah.
is for the dining room.
Yeah.
Okay. Maybe if you are running a restaurant, I think you can use this one too. And they also have a smaller size, right?
Yeah, small, middle size.
Middle, big, and the small
Yeah.
size.
And another size all can product.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah. This size is 800 meter. This is
Okay.
500.
Do you mean the diameter, right? The diameter, like.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay. It can be customized. That's really cool. Okay. Anything else?
Yeah. Come
Okay.
with me. And this also nice.
Oh yeah, it's the same one.
Come with me. Oh, I can show you this lamp.
The shape is very special. It's just like a cup.
Yeah. This can.
Okay, it's easy to change.
Yeah, yeah,
Right,
yeah.
and it's easy to
change
clean.
the lamp.
So all we need to do just to rotate. We don't have to do anything like remove the shell or something. Wow, that's really convenient.
Not.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is big.
Yeah.
And
Maybe
then
some
here-
of the
here's
hotel
small.
we have this.
Yeah.
Okay, this is a big one and this is a smaller one.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. And the table.
Wow,
and
it's
the
really
floor.
shiny. Wow, and it can be changed into the floor lamp.
Yeah,
It's
yeah,
cool.
yeah. Yeah. It's also can change the color.
Are they the same series? Are they?
Yeah.
Okay, now they have 3 colors of this light, right? Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Come with me.
Okay, now let's keep on moving to see more of the items. Wow, the design is really unique. I'm guessing you're going to tell me something about this.
This leaf, 叶片，
Right, the light, it just looks like a leaf.
陶瓷的，
What's the material of it?
陶瓷的。
Okay, it's China. China.
Oh,
Okay,
China.
yeah, it's China. It's made of China, or we can say ceramic. Ceramic.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
And what's the material of the light arm?
Iron and copper also can product.
Copper. Okay,
Copper.
we can make it copper or we can make it alloy.
Yeah,
okay.
yeah, yeah.
I see.
This sample is copper.
Okay, this is copper. This
yeah.
sample is copper.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay. And they have
Yeah.
some different dimensions.
Yes.
Wow, Susie, I am really surprised by this one.
Yeah, this also
Yeah.
nice.
This is glass, right?
Yeah, glass, 手工.
Crafted glass.
Yeah, glass.
Wow. And they can also turn into different design.
Yeah.
This is a thin one, and this is the bigger one, and we can also make it a dining table lamp.
Yeah, and this wall
Oh,
lamp.
even they can also be made into wall light.
Yes.
I really like your style. the design of this light is really fascinating.
Awesome.
Okay, now let's step into Susie's another part of the showroom. Wow, is it a bird? Okay, everyone now let's get closer to this one. Is it a bird?
Yeah, this is the bird.
Wow, that's very special and unique.
Yeah. I show you.
Okay.
This bird.
Wow.
This.
So all we need to do just
yeah.
took it away.
So easy.
Wow, it's really easy to install or remove.
Yes.
Wow. But I am wondering, is this color can be changed too?
Yeah, can change it 3 color.
Okay. So,
Also with dimmer.
okay, so all of the lights in your showroom, they have 3 colors and they can also be dim.
Yeah.
All of your products.
Just now I show you the also can change color.
Okay.
With dimmer.
Okay, cool.
Okay.
So this is the pendant light and this is the light for the dining table and this is a smaller one.
Yeah.
Wow, that's
And
really
the
cool.
middle size.
Middle size. Okay. So and now I think Danqi lighting is basically for the residential lighting. Now no matter which place in your room, in your house, from the dining room to the bedroom to the living room and so on, you can always find your own preference right here. Okay? And remember, this is Danqi lighting.
Yeah.
This is Danqi lighting. And if you are interested in their product, don't forget to scan the QR code at the end of this video. And if you like our program, don't forget to give us a like and leave your comment below. And once again, thank you, Susie.
Thank you.
Thank you. Sorry. Okay, now let's stay tuned. See you. Bye.
Bye.